Hey, I'm Dave, and this is the Shapeoko CNC Router Kit by Carbide 3D. Carbide 3D, the makers of the Nomad CNC mill, bring you this, the Shapeoko. It's a CNC router kit that allows you to make projects on a larger scale out of wood, plastic, or even aluminum. You're looking to incorporate desktop CNC milling into your workflow. You may even have a specific project in mind, like I did, this. The Shapeoko knocked that out of the park. Because of its sturdiness, its reliability, and the awesome machine that it is, it became an essential part of my workshop. Even planted new ideas for projects down the line, how to optimize them, or even take things that I was doing by hand before and incorporate CNC milling. The beefy aluminum extrusions here that you see and the motion control system is stout. This thing's legit. It does not shake or move at all. Those end mill paths that you need that are super fine, this thing is sturdy and stiff as can be. Makes it a great partner in the workshop. Second, it's so quick to set up. It took me an hour or two to set this thing up, and then you are off to the races. Let's dive into a couple more details about the Shapeoko. The Shapeoko is capable of cutting woods, plastics, and even aluminums because this thing is so well built. And at its heart, it's got a DeWalt router, ready to accept router bits and end mills for any pass that you might want to take. Because of how this is designed and built, it can be completely customized. If you're looking for more Z height, faster movements, anything, you can sort of tinker with it, hack with it, and make it your own. The base of this machine, the spoil board, is ready for you to customize it. You can drill holes or make patterns to fit exactly what you need to hold while you're cutting it. All the tools you need to make the machine come with it. All you've got to add is the materials that you're looking to cut. Shapeoko is made of tough aluminum and driven by powerful NEMA 23 motors, so you can repeatably make exactly what you designed in any material. The entire kit is designed, manufactured, and even supported right here in the US. From its creation at Carbide to the support at MatterHackers, we've got your back. The Shapeoko has become an essential part of my workshop, and I love having it by my side. It is sturdy, quick to build, and super reliable. It comes in a bunch of different sizes, so pick the one that you're willing to dedicate the workspace for in your shop. To learn more and to get one now, go to MatterHackers.com. Thank you for watching. If you liked that, subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with all of our videos. And remember, go to MatterHackers.com to shop for everything 3D printing.